Let's enrich your page with a pop-up. In Landingi, you can create pop-ups and install them on your landing pages or external sites. Navigate to the Pop-ups tab and click on the Create New Pop-up button. Just like with landing pages, you can decide whether you'd like to create a pop-up from scratch or you'd like to use a fully editable template. Pick the one you like and click Use Template. Pop-up Editor has a main page and a thank you page. On the left-hand side, there are all the widgets you can drag and drop to your pop-up, and on your right-hand sidebar, you can edit a background or adjust your pop-up's design. When your pop-up is ready, click the Next button. Now you'll define the display rules for your pop-up. You need to choose at least one trigger. Available triggers are time spent on a website, scrolling a certain percentage of the page, exit intent, or clicking on a specific element on a landing page. The last step is to define the display frequency. Once the pop-up is set up, click the Publish button. Your pop-up is now live. If your pop-up is to be added to an external page, you need to either copy the tracking code and paste it into the page's source code, or check other publishing options such as WordPress or Google Tag Manager. Each of your pop-ups also have their individual dashboard where you can see the stats, visits, leads, and conversions to monitor their performance easily.